It's me back again with a unboxing video. Mad late, but I had a couple of this year been kind of crazy for me. Mi abuelita, she passed away, and then her sister passed away a week ago. So been having this whole year been kind of crazy. Um, but this is the latest model, MacBook Pro with the touch bar. So let me just open it up. See, still got the plastic on it. Yeah, I need I definitely need to see the specs. So about that. I need one of the knives that everybody will be having, but I don't have that. Space gray. So as you already know, what's gonna come with this. I don't know which angle to put it at. This phone is kind of crazy, so. Hopefully. Oh no, I know I can switch it. My bad. Okay. I love the way this is. One-handed approach. Just the back of it, obviously. You know how that goes. Got the touch bar. I think this is the 20. I believe it's 2019 model, if I'm not mistaken. I'm surprised it didn't make that noise. You know that noise every time you get a MacBook or something like that. It always makes that.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
See, look, this is, which model is this? That's it. So. Let me put in my information. Damn. I already know it's gonna have updates, etc., etc. But yeah. And I'm on the Apple, the iPhone 10 recording this. So I don't know if it's gonna be in 4K or not. Wait, what? Transfer information. I need to buy that. Put in my information right now. I just want to see this, the main screen. That's beautiful. gosh. Hold on. They just sent that verification to my oh wait, was it this? Okay, so oh, I think I'll do that afterwards. Wait, what? Nope. This trackpad is. I can fit my whole, not my whole hand, but this is crazy right now. Look at that. I like the touch bar. I'm definitely gonna use this. I'm definitely using this. That's a definite. I wanna like write a book. That's what I want to do. I want to like write a book. So that's 2. Yeah. Okay. I definitely like this space gray. It's beautiful. This doesn't. That's the only thing that I don't like. It just the back doesn't light up anymore. So yeah. Enable Siri, but I don't want to set this up. Set it up later. I don't got time for that. Oh yeah. I'm definitely using Touch ID. That's a definite. That's beautiful. Like, look at that. The touch bar does all of that. That's crazy. Oh, yes, that's a definite. Apple Pay, all that. I love this. Oh, come on. Set up Apple Pay. Oh, I have my wallet on me. Why not just set it up now? This is it. Okay. Oh. What? I'm not trying to verify nobody. I'll set it up later. I don't want to do that right now. I know this has been usually people like they'll cut in and out of this, but not right now. Beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm not even sorry, but this is beautiful. So, yep. Touch bar, Siri, all that. Beautiful. Like and subscribe. Thank you.